Hi everyone! Welcome back to SEOLab support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Instant Index feature to submit your URLs to Google and get them indexed much faster. Normally, Google takes time to crawl your website. With Instant Index, SEOLab sends your pages directly to Google, so they can appear in search results much sooner. Let's get started. Open your Shopify admin and go to the SEOLab app. From the left menu, click Search Appearance. Then, at the top, click the Instant Index tab. At the top of the page, you'll see your Google Search Console connection. If you haven't connected yet, click Connect to Google and sign in with your Google account. Once connected, you're ready to submit URLs. In the section that says List of URLs, separated by lines, enter one URL per line. Make sure each link belongs to your store and is complete. Google controls the indexing limits. With SEOLab, you can submit up to 100 URLs at one time, submit up to 200 URLs per day. If you reach the limit, simply wait and try again later. After pasting your URLs, click Submit. SEOLab immediately sends them to Google for faster indexing, instead of waiting for normal crawling. Below, you will see submission history. Here you can track all submitted URLs. At the top, switch from Submit URLs to Delete URLs. Now enter the URLs you want to remove, one per line, and click Delete. This tells Google that these pages should no longer appear in search results. Below, open the Submission History section. Go to the Deleted URLs tab to view every URL you removed. This helps you keep track of which pages were deleted. That's it. Simple and powerful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next SEOLab tutorial.